Study in the USA with Parrot Canada. Visa. Consultant Kobalud in partnership with Webster University. Limited time promotion. No service fees for qualified applicants. Promotion. Ends April 30, 2025. If you hold a bachelor's degree and have a valid English proficiency test score, TOEFL, IELTS, Duolingo, or if you're from an English-speaking exempted country, you are eligible to study in the USA with no service fees through Parrot Canada Visa Consultant. Kansi. Exempted English-speaking countries. You are exempt from submitting an English proficiency test if you are a national or degree holder from the following countries. 1. North America and the Caribbean. Canada, except Quebec. Antigua and Barbuda. Bahamas, Barbados, Belize, Grenada, Guyana, Jamaica, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Trinidad and Tobago. 2. Europe, Ireland, Malta, United Kingdom, Manta, St. Lucia. 3. Africa, Botswana, Gambia, Ghana, Kenya, Liberia, Mauritius, Nigeria, Sierra Leone, South Africa, St. Helena, Tanzania, Uganda, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Zaire and 4. Oceania and Pacific Islands. Australia, Fiji, Marshall Islands, Micronesia, New Zealand, Solomon Islands, Can and Van. 5. Asia, Singapore. Important notice: Webster University does not accept a medium of instruction (MOI) letter in place of English proficiency scores where required. Applicants from non-exempt countries must meet the university's English proficiency requirements through recognized tests such as TOEFL, IELTS, Duolingo, or equivalent. 5. Why choose us? Globally recognized degrees industry. Relevant curriculum to launch your career. Guaranteed admission. Within 5 days, student loans available for tuition and living expenses. $0 service fees. Save more, achieve more. Top master's programs in high-demand fields. STEM programs. MA, Information Technology Management. 2MS Cybersecurity Operations. 3MS Cybersecurity, AI emphasis. MS Cybersecurity, Data Analytics emphasis. FMS Data Analytics. MBA in Analytics. 7. MS Business Analytics. MS Environmental Management. 9. MS Marketing in Analytics. Master of Arts, MA. Programs. 10. Human Resources Development. 11. International Relations. 12. Management and Leadership. Team Management and Leadership. Cybersecurity. D. Management and Leadership. Digital Marketing. Shan. 15. Management and Leadership. Health Administration. C. Management and Leadership. Marketing. 17. Management and Leadership. Organizational Development. T. Management and Leadership. Project Management. 19. Counseling. 20. Clinical Mental Health Counseling. Trondheim Samachan 21. Teaching English to speakers of other languages. Master of Business Administration. MBA. Programs. 22. Corporate Communications. 23. Corporate Finance. 24. Cybersecurity. 25. Digital Marketing Management. Fantican. 26. Digital Marketing. 27. Enterprise Resource Planning. Health Administration. In IT Management. C. International Business. 31. Marketing. 32. Project Management. 33. Business Administration. 34. Media Communications. AC Buish accredited. Other master's programs: 35 Master of Health Administration MHA, 36 MS Criminal Justice. Financial support opportunities: student loans available for eligible students. English proficiency required: TOEFL, IELTS or Duolingo, unless exempt. Mashtosh. Contact us today to begin your journey. Email infos@visaconsultantcanada.com or info@visaconsultantcanada.co. Keep WhatsApp +1 431 302 026 Main Office, Kigali, Rwanda. Town Center Building, near Simba Supermarket. Second floor, door F2B022C, Nyarugenge. Kigali office contacts +250 783 314 265 +250 781 211 215 +250 780 382 650 250 788 284 544. Kenya office, Embu town. Telephone 254 711 807 646. Email info@visaconsultantcanada.co. KE County, Embu District, Embu Town. Locality, Embu Dallas. Street, Dallas Road. Building D Block, Office B8 Global Representative. Contacts: Hungary +36 70 352 7547, Kenya, Nairobi +254 711 807 Uganda. Kampala +256 74 572, China +131 325 77440, Turkey 90 583 8952, USA 1 Paris 331, Rwanda 250 at 273 Canada Plaza 1 431 302 0226, Zambia +60 972 968 285, Mozambique 58 86 352 3312. Join our WhatsApp group for updates and quick support. Chat.whatsapp.com IY1FPRLIBKN5J2LLQAYIR. Take the first step toward your dream career. Apply now. Register on the link below. Now, http://app.course. Finder. AI Student Platform BCB 14976. Sign up. With AI-based technology, you may register yourself and get access to master's loan in USA and summits. Study abroad. Higher study in USA master's program. Parrot Canada visa. Education opportunity. No service fees. Dream big. Fund your future. Study without limits.